Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and fun catapult using popsicle sticks. Yes! Guys, we made it. We have built the catapult using the ice cream sticks. Now, let's try it. And when you're sticking the bottle cap, make sure to leave some gaps so you can launch the item. Now the first thing we are using is a Lego piece. It fell on the ground. The second piece we are using is a button. 6. And the last item we are using is a nut. And that's gone for a 4. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. And comment down below if you will try this and if you like this DIY project. See you guys in my next video. Bye!